Good morning to all of you. We all know, and I have made a video also regarding the gruesome, dastardly, ghastly murder of the lawyer's duo, an advocate couple by name Gattu Vaman Rao and his wife P. Nagamani. On 17th February, around 2:20 p.m., while they were coming back from Manthani court to their house at Boyanpalli, Secunderabad, after attending to the court work. Of course, a lot of criticism was also there. It has become a political issue, and some local level leader, some Srinivas, he has also been roped in as the accused. And I'm sure you are aware that the Honorable High Court of Telangana, the CJI, Madam Hima Kohli, the Telangana High Court has taken a suo motu public interest litigation about the killing of the advocates, and they asked for a status report of the investigation by the police, and this matter has come before the court on March 1st, just 2 days back. So normally, on behalf of the police, the Advocate General, Shri B.S. Prasad, he submitted that the investigation has been going on the correct lines. The accused have been arrested. Their statements were recorded under 161 crpc, and a lot of Section 6 Evidence Act, that is res geste or circumstantial evidence, has to be collected. And in this connection, the Honorable two judges bench, that is Chief Justice Hima Kohli and the other judge, Sri B. Vijay Sen Reddy, they have perused the CD file or the record of investigation made so far. And of course, they have given certain guidance. Normally, more than that they can't do, or they can put some queries. So here we have to think about the major query. The Honorable Court asked the AG, or in other words, the police, as to why they have not got recorded the statements of the accused or confessions of the accused under Section 164 CRPC. The police say they have arrested 4 accused or 6 accused, and their statements have been recorded under 161 CRPC, and they have been pulling up evidence or gathering evidence to connect the accused to the crime. And they also stated that they have taken the video footage from the Manthani court also about their movement to check up whether anybody followed them, whether any the so-called murderers followed them or not, what are the trajectory, all these things they wanted to settle. Therefore, they have taken the videograph and they will examine the persons who are present there. Likewise, the court also advised whether the police checked up the video footage of in and around that bus stand area where the incident took place, and did they examine some of the passengers of the bus whose faces were visible in the video, and also the persons in whose cameras the recording the voice of Mr. Gattu Vaman Rao stating the name of Guntupalli Srinivas has been recorded. All these things they have posed questions, and police said they are making me their efforts. So my main thrust today is on 164 CRPC. When can 164 CRPC statements be recorded? So please remember, according to Section 164 of the CRPC, it tells you about the recording of confessions and statements. Yes, confessions by the accused, statements by the witnesses. Suppose if any murder case of this type happens, if the accused voluntarily confesses that he has committed the offense, then he can be produced before the magistrate, whether he has got jurisdiction or not, and the magistrate is competent to record his statement. Likewise, a victim in a rape case, a victim in a murder case, if she wants to give a details of the incident as to what happened, yes, she can do it also under Section 164 CRPC. So please remember, 164 CRPC is used both for recording the confessions as well as the statements. Then what is the use of these 164 statements? Please remember, according to CRPC, the statements given recorded under Section 161 CRPC are of no use laterally. They can be used only for contradiction and omission. That's all. There is no end. But here The statement recorded by a magistrate will have sanctity. Suppose the person who gave this confession statement or any statement under 161 CRPC, 4 CRPC turns hostile, he gets back. So, if the reasons are there strong enough, then he can be dealt with for perjury under section 211 of the Indian Penal Code. That is the beauty of section 164 CRPC. But certain directions and certain cautions are also given to the magistrates. The magistrate should tell the accused person before giving a confession statement that he need not give the statement, and the statement goes against him, and he gives time for 24 days. He will be sent into custody, and next day also, whenever he wants to go back, he can go back. If not, then only the magistrate will record the confession. Any such confession recorded shall be signed by the person. This is important because in 161 statements, we all know that according to 161, you need not sign or the signatures need not be taken. But here, the signatures will be there and as though it is taken as evidence before the court. That is the greatness of this 164 statement. And moreover, the person who recorded the 164 statement, he will be examined as witnesses because he will give a certificate. I have explained that he is not bound to make a confession, and if so, the confession may be used as evidence against him, but still he has given the statement. He admitted to be correct and it contains a full and a true account of the statement made by him. So this is the greatness or this is the importance of the 164 statements. Therefore, the High Court has made a special thrust on this 164 CRPC. That means they are inclined to see that the investigation goes in the correct manner so that tomorrow the accused should get the so-called conviction. Because police, of course, they are saying that they are gathering crucial evidence like mobile phones, the call data used by the accused, and also details of the scene of offense, the video footage, surveillance cameras, all these things they have told. I think they are all useful definitely under section 65A and B of the Indian Evidence Act. Or section 6, the res gestae, that is circumstantial evidence. All these things clubbed together, then only the investigation could be perfect and definitely there is a chance for the accused to get convicted. So this is the present stage of the investigation of Gattu Vaman Rao, and my main pressure is on section 164 CRPC. So please go through 164 CRPC, the evidentiary value of 164 CRPC, and get enriched of your legal knowledge. Thank you.